Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you guys my Planner Society kit for the month of February, for February 2018. And I have been getting the Planner Society November and December of 2017 and then January of 2018. And then I called to cancel because Jimmy actually got the subscription for 3 months for me for my birthday. So when I called to cancel, it couldn't cancel until after February, so I ended up getting the February kit as well. So yeah, so this is actually my last kit that I will be receiving, and all the kits that I have gotten have been perfect. They have been beautiful, everything that I have wanted in a kit. I am just gonna cut this. It's been hit or miss whether or not like I get this to come off perfectly. So alright, sorry about that, I had got a phone call. So I'm just going to go ahead and open everything up. Now I do save the bag and I will use it to wrap. If I'm doing like a B6, I will use the bag to wrap a notebook or a dashboard or something like that. So I keep that. Alright, so far, let me move everything out the way. Alright, so the first thing I see, and please excuse the nails, but the first thing I see is the washi tape. So there is the washi. Yep, so super pretty. So there that is. There's the washi tape, and then here is the pin for this month, and all her pins have been very pretty. So it's got that crystal at the top and then the pretty colors, the silver, and it seems like it's just a twist. So it's just a simple twist up. So there that is. And here's the pouch. I guess I'll show you guys that while it's sitting here. It's got gold on it. Looks like a gold heart. There that is. Looks like mine has a little, I don't know, maybe like a burn hole or something there. Not quite sure what that's all about, but it kind of looked like it molded to that. But yeah, that doesn't bother me at all. So sometimes I use the pouches, sometimes I don't, but there that is. And here is what looks like to be paper clips. I always save the backs and I use those when I'm making dashboards. So there are the paper clips. Looks like there's a rose on that one. Yeah, so not too shabby on that. There's these wooden pink, light pink, light yellow, and maybe like a light gray, I would say. Or yeah, grayish green, I guess. And then yeah, yeah, so there is the wooden words, and then we've got the tabs, and I think, yeah, they have the same words each month, it comes in a different color. So those are pink. There's the back. I always keep that one. So it looks like she gives you about 12 of these to make your tabs. So there's all those colors. And then there is the stamp. Looks like a girl holding a basket of flowers. And then the this month's sticky notes is just like the flower canister, I guess you would say. Sometimes those peel off good and sometimes they don't. So yeah, there that is. So yeah, it's not actually, that's sticking pretty good for that. So some pockets in here. Again, I absolutely love the pockets. They're beautiful. I have them in my planner now. So there's the back of that. I'm definitely keeping that. And then just got that pretty It's like shiny, silvery shiny color. I don't know if you can see it, and then just like that. And this one, I love this one. That's like a champagne pink. It's got a little shimmer to it. And then the gray. So those are beautiful. And then the die cuts. Let me try to move these up here and lay these die cuts out. So I'm probably going to fast forward this so you guys can see them. And then she's got the 3 skin tone girls holding their baskets. And then their hat, more flowers. And here are, she always usually puts some type of card in with saying, so find beauty in little things. There's that one. All right, die cuts that possibly are bookmarks. So there's the back of that. Or like page markers, I guess. Bookmarks or page markers. So there's that one. That one's really pretty. The bows, that is really pretty. Oops. Those two. So that is that. So here's the pack of paper. So here is the first sheet. It's got the pink and gray on the back. And she gives you 2 of those. And then you've got that one. It's got the yellow on the back. And then there is your acetate. So super pretty. Acetate, and there's another acetate. And then you've got a sheet of vellum. And you've got your other cardstock. So it's got that yellowish gold brown color on the back, and then kind of like a purple and pink and gray on that side. So that's all the paper. And then the last thing is the stickers. Now this one I do like to try to peel up. There is the bag that the stickers came in. Alright. So here are the stickers. How can I hold that so you can see? There's the sticker, one sticker sheet. And then you've got the 3 skin tone girls. Looks like, yeah, 3 or 6 of the smaller girls, and then 3 of the medium size, and then just some flowers. And then you've got those 2. So very pretty. So that's pretty much it. That is the unboxing of my February Planner Society kit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.